If you're looking for ways to make money on TikTok, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we are going to teach you all about the different ways that you can make money on TikTok. You'll learn how to create custom videos, how to sell products and services, and even how to earn money by taking surveys. So don't wait any longer. Start making money today on TikTok. If you're a content creator, you've probably wondered how people make money on TikTok, how much money they can make, and what the platform's payments look like. Let's talk monetization. How many views and followers do you need to make money on TikTok? Until December 2021, the barrier to making money directly from TikTok was much higher. To monetize your account, you had to be at least 18 years old, which is still the case, have more than 10,000 followers, and have at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. If you met those criteria, you could apply for TikTok's Creator Fund. The payment per view figures have never been publicly disclosed, so it's not as easy as saying 1,000 views equals $X roughly. It's estimated that you can pull in around 2 to 3 cents for every 1,000 views once signed up to the Creator Fund. However, payments vary depending on the number and authenticity of views, the level of engagement on the videos, and ensuring content is in line with TikTok's community guidelines and terms of service. For a while, the Creator Fund was the main way for big-name content creators to earn money on TikTok passively. Then Creator Next came along. What is Creator Next? Towards the end of 2021, TikTok introduced a new feature. It's a monetization hub called Creator Next, and it houses all of the platform's money-making options under one roof, making earning on TikTok more accessible. To be eligible, you need to be 18 years old or more and have at least 3 posts that have racked up 1,000 plus views in the past 30 days. Once you're enrolled in Creator Next, there are multiple ways you can monetize your TikTok beyond just Creator Fund. Creator Next offers live e-gifts. TikTok awards diamonds based on the popularity of creators' live e-videos, which can then exchange for real-life currency. Viewers can also live e-gift their favorite content creators during live e-videos, which can also be converted into cold, hard cash. This feature existed before Creator Next, and any TikTok user over 18 and part of the Creator Next program is eligible to receive live e-gifts. Video gifts. This allows creators to collect diamonds based on views on their short videos rather than live e-videos. Viewers can also send gifts, just like on live e-videos. To be eligible, creators need at least 100,000 followers, an account that's over 30 days old, and a public video published in the last 30 days. Tips. Viewers can donate money to their favorite content creators, who'll receive the full tip, minus any service fees. This tool is available for creators with more than 100,000 followers. TikTok Creator Marketplace. This gives creators the chance to connect and collaborate with brands through an official portal on both paid and reward-based campaigns. Brands will invite creators directly to the Creator Marketplace, but you can also apply if you have more than 10,000 followers. 65% of TikTok users prefer content from brands that use original sounds. How to get paid on TikTok. So how else do you get paid on TikTok? Before Creator Next, there were still loads of avenues for TikTokers to earn dollar. Aside from Creator Fund, you could, and still can, sell your own merch, direct people to gated content on another platform like Patreon, grow and sell accounts, or become a TikTok consultant for brands. And of course, brand partnerships existed before Creator Next. The TikTok Creator Marketplace just makes it easier to facilitate. Between 2019 and 2021, U.S. marketers planning to use TikTok for influencer marketing shot from just 16% to 68%. It's clear that the platform's bankability is only rising, and brand-sponsored videos can earn up to $1,000 if they reach 100,000 views. How else can you make money on TikTok? Despite Creator Next being pushed as the go-to piggy bank, there are more ways to make money on TikTok. Use TikTok to advertise your products and services. If you have your own things to peddle and want to try making income as a creator, you can always make TikToks that show off your products and services. It doesn't matter if your hustle is proofreading, personal training, or making little necklaces out of seashells. If it looks good, you can hook people in. If you want to spread the word and attract the right kind of viewers, ensure your captions, descriptions, and hashtags are on point when it comes to keywords. Partner with a brand that aligns with your values. Sponsored content. Surely that's the dream. Being paid just to be you. Cakewalk. Year after year, brands are taking TikTok more seriously when it comes to their marketing budgets. However, you might struggle to get noticed if you're a smaller creator. You can still access the TikTok Creator Marketplace and test the waters there, but you have to wait for brands to come to you. Some creators will sign partnerships outside of TikTok. Occasionally, they luck out and it falls into their laps. A brand notices them, gets in touch, and offers them a deal. As a smaller creator, it's worth seeking out brands you want to work with. Find the companies that chime with you and reflect your values. This is important for two reasons. You need to feel comfortable with the partnership for it to be a success. There's no point doing it if you feel gross about working with a company you disagree with. Your audience will see right through a deal you've just done for the money. For example, a vegan influencer probably couldn't get away with a sponsored post for an oil company. Partnerships work when they're seen as genuine extensions of your personal brand. Prepare yourself for sellout claims if you buddy up with a brand that's opposed to the views expressed in your content. How to make money on TikTok with ads. You can make money on TikTok with an advertising tool called TikTok Pulse. Like YouTube's monetization scheme, it offers a 50-50. It's split between advertisers and creators. However, you need at least 100,000 followers to use it, so it's not the best thing to recommend for beginners. I hope you guys surely like and enjoy our video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.